Hello and welcome to DailyLingo. Today I want to introduce myself in clear and simple English. And before we continue, don't forget to subscribe for more easy English lessons every week. My name is Ashley Carter. I'm 23 years old and I'm American. I'm from Seattle, a big city in the northwestern United States. I live in a small apartment near the city center. It's a quiet, friendly, and safe neighborhood, and I really like it. If this video helps you learn something new, feel free to like the video. It really supports the channel. I grew up with my parents and my younger brother. My father is a math teacher. My mother works as a nurse in a hospital. They both work hard, but they love their jobs. My younger brother Daniel is 18. We talk every Sunday on a video call and share stories about our week. I study English teaching at university because I enjoy languages and helping people learn. I also have a part-time job at a small cafe near campus. I take orders, make coffee, and talk to customers. It helps me practice communication and meet interesting people. If you want more everyday English stories, make sure to follow DailyLingo so you don't miss new videos. I usually wake up at 7 a.m., make a simple breakfast, and walk to university. In the afternoon, I study, review my lessons, or work at the cafe. In the evenings, I sometimes cook, meet a friend, or watch a show. In my free time, I enjoy reading, cooking simple meals, and exploring new cafes. On weekends, I go for long walks, listen to music, or spend time with friends. I also enjoy learning languages, and right now I'm learning Spanish. People say I'm friendly, positive, and organized. I like meeting new people and listening to their stories. I enjoy helping others and creating a comfortable space for conversation. In the future, I want to travel, learn more about different cultures, and become a professional English teacher. My goal is to help students feel confident when they speak English. Not afraid, not shy, just confident. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and share it with a friend who wants to learn English. Now it's your turn. Write a short introduction in the comments. My name is, I am from, I live in, I like, my goal is. Remember, less fear, more English, more confidence. See you next time.